Hi everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World in the Off-Grid Project. Good thing we only paid $1 to get up here. I'll show you the view in a minute, if I can coax Melanie out. She's hugging the wall. This is a very nervous looking place. I am dizzy, I have to admit. I have to admit, I'm dizzy. Oh, here's a wider spot to stand. You can hug the wall. So, we're in St. Ignace. Oh, look at that water. It's so beautiful. This is an amazing place. If you take the 2 towards the west, right after the bridge, you just stand by a minute, well, because you got to go past me. She's hugging the wall around. If you take the 2 west, right after the bridge, you get this view up here. There's actually, I think one of the best souvenir shops around. Right after the bridge.
Oh, you can feel that.
Look at the glitter. The sun glinting off the water. It's quite beautiful here. And there's a good view of the bridge. The Mackinac Bridge, where we came across. I've never been to this spot here before. It's really nice. It's too bad that cable's there, but there's a beautiful view of the bridge right here. 5-mile span.
No, it's Sandy for me.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna walk around. There's the highway, gives you an idea how high we are. Not that bad, but we're in what used to be a lighthouse. It was only $1 to come up here, but none of us is very good with heights, so none of us is gonna have any job servicing towers. Right? Oh, here we go, Melanie. Unsupported area. I'm hugging the wall, I have to admit.
Wait.
I'm not good with heights. None of us are. Look at that traffic going to the bridge. So we're just going to travel and see what we find today. We're on the southern edge of the upper peninsula of Michigan today. Just looking around and enjoying a beautiful day. Look at that, it looks like diamonds on the water.
Oh no.
So pretty.
We should go.
All right, Melanie wants to go down. Well, we came, we saw, and we leave. Let's see what comes next. That's where we were, way up there. This is the Curio Fair. It's a really cool place. The inside, actually I want to show you the outside. Let me walk up there, I don't want to show people. The walls are made of shells. She said this is 67 years old, but how much money must have been invested to make this? The whole outside of this place. I mean, that's just incredible how many shells. All shells. The whole outside of this building, all the way. Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I bought some supplies yesterday. We went on a field trip, and then we came back and got some treated lumber from 4x4 posts over here. And down here I have 600 pounds of cement. We have it under a tarp because it is supposed to rain today in a couple hours. And of course I don't want that getting wrecked. It's on a pallet under 2 tarps. But what we're gonna do out here on my Carroll Road easement through my wooded lot, I'm going to put a watchtower on the inside edge of our fence line, and it's going to be dual purpose, mega multi-purpose. We're going to have a watchtower with solar panels, cameras, LED lighting, alarm systems, a bench inside, and it's going to have it's going to be a tree stand for hunting. All up here in one convenient location, and it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be really awesome. So we're going to be working on that, getting up our first real watchtower / hunting stand. Hunting season starts soon, and I need to get that up as fast as possible, like urgently right away, starting today, to get that up there. We picked up some rocks which are glittery in the sun. I have no idea what it is, to be sure. But you can see a beautiful pattern of fossil in here. And some mineralization, looks like iron. And some really crazy patterns in the stone. This one we picked up because of the color and also because of the fossil. I'm sure this is some kind of fossil material, the way it's formed. And the mineralization here, definitely fossil right here. But anyway, we did a bit of a trip yesterday. Very brief, little short fragment of a video.